If you want to make your videos feel faster, cleaner, and more engaging, learning how to do a jump cut in CapCut is one of the best editing skills you can pick up. Jump cuts are great for removing pauses, mistakes, filler words, or awkward moments, and they help keep your audience focused on the important parts of your video. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do a jump cut in CapCut PC step by step. And if this guide helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut P. If you haven't started yet, import your video into CapCut and drag it down onto the timeline. This is the clip you'll be editing, so make sure it's placed correctly before you begin making cuts. Once your video is on the timeline, take a look at the section you want to remove. A jump cut is usually used to cut out dead space, a long pause, a mistake, or any part where the video slows down. Now, move the playhead to the very beginning of the section you want to remove. The playhead is the line that shows exactly where you are in the video, and placing it carefully is important because this is where your cut will start. After you've positioned it, click Split or simply press Ctrl and B on your keyboard. That will cut the clip into two separate parts right at the playhead. Next, move the playhead to the end of the section you want to remove. This should be the point where you want the video to start again. Once the playhead is in the right place, click Split again or press Ctrl and B one more time. Now the section you want to delete should be separated between two split points. Select the unwanted clip in the middle. This is the part you want to remove from your video. With that clip selected, press Delete on your keyboard. The unwanted section will disappear, but you'll probably see a gap left behind on the timeline. That's completely normal. To complete the jump cut, drag the remaining clips together so there is no gap between them. This is what creates the quick, seamless jump in your video. When the clips are pulled together, your video will instantly feel tighter and more dynamic. If you want to create more jump cuts, just repeat the same process for every section you want to remove. Move the playhead, split at the beginning, split at the end, delete the middle section, and close the gap. The more you do it, the faster it becomes. A quick tip, zoom into your timeline if you need more accuracy, especially when cutting out short pauses or small mistakes. And if you want your jump cuts to look even cleaner, make sure your audio and video stay synced as you move the clips around. Jump cuts are a simple editing trick, but they can make a huge difference in how professional your videos feel. They keep the pacing strong, remove unnecessary downtime, and make your content easier to watch. So whether you're editing tutorials, vlogs, talking head videos, or short form content, this technique is extremely useful. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.